Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Can you recognize this plant? Yes, this is the desi variety of the rose plant. These plants actually have really hardy stems. So we can easily propagate this plant by stem cutting. And these plants are actually the propagated plants from the stem cutting. And in winter it also flowered really well. And we also have many other colors of rose plant. But as the summer arrives, our plant health degrades. As you can see, the flower size has got very small. And look at the plant's health, it is so bad. And the leaves have also turned yellow and some of them have turned brownish. And some of the leaves are also shedding by themselves. Last year also, due to heat waves, our plants got really bad health. But because of last year, now we know how we can save our plant this year. As we already know, rose is an acid-loving plant. But because of the heat stress right now in Delhi, the plants cannot take all of the nutrients. And because of this only, the leaves fade color and sometimes also dry. So because of this, my mom is going to give a special manure to the plant. As you know, before giving any kind of fertilizer or manure, we must always dig the soil of our plants. This is because digging the soil of our plants helps in aeration, also helps in removing all the weeds. Not only that, it also helps the plants absorb the nutrients better. So today my mom is going to give a slow releasing organic fertilizer which is the best for this plant. Even though it is not right to give any kind of manure or fertilizer during this season, but because our plants are not able to get any kind of nutrients, we have to give this fertilizer to replenish it. That's why we are going to make it organic and slow releasing, which will be good for this plant. And the fertilizer will be such of a fertilizer which will keep the soil moist at all times. So as you can already guess it, the manure is actually kitchen waste compost with some coco pit. As you know, kitchen waste compost has all kinds of micro and macro nutrients. And this will help your plant replenish all kinds of nutrients that is needed. Like this only, if you give your plants this manure and keep this in a shaded area, then your plant's health will surely be better. Oh, and keep in mind that you should not prune your plants during this season. That's all for today's video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.